Hey everybody, Marcus with MLC CAD Systems here, and today I've got a file that I need to open, but I was not given all of the additional files that go along with it. So for example, this drawing right here, if I open it up, it's referencing a part file, but the part file was not given to me, so I don't have anything. And what I need to do is very quickly send this out as a PDF to somebody so they can view it. Well, there's an easy way to do this. You can do it from the File Open menu or from the Recent Documents. Just hit the R button, drop down the dialog to change how it's being opened, and for the mode, I'm going to change it to Detailing mode. This used to be called Quick View, and basically what it does is it takes the last saved rebuilt drawing. You still can do a lot of things in this. You can come in here and start changing dimension displays and stuff like that, but there actually is no 3D geometry behind this option. But no worries, it still allows me to do a file save as, and I can change the file type to PDF or any other thing. This same option is called Large Design Review in Assembly models, and what it allows you to do is to quickly open it even if you're missing it all, almost like you're opening it in eDrawings. Speaking of eDrawings, this file can be opened there as well, which is great if you don't have a license at all. The only problem with eDrawings in this specific scenario is that the Save As dialog does not allow the PDF export. You can save it as an image file, but it doesn't give you that vector output the same way that a resolved drawing model would inside the SOLIDWORKS environment. Hopefully that's helpful. If you end up with another file that's missing something, take a look at either Quick View, Large Design Review, or eDrawings to get that file open and then be able to view it or export it to another version.